Hi everyone, with a new scholarship video. Today video is about for a bachelor student. The University of Science and Technology of China, like normally we call it USTC. They offer a scholarship for the undergraduate programs. They also offer a graduate like a master and PhD scholarship. But today I will make a video for undergraduate students. So before going to this is their main website. Before going to the application portal, let's we discuss about the programs. What kind of programs they are offering? The School of Mathematical Science, School of Physics, Physical Science, School of Chemistry and Material Science. Under the department, they have a lot of other programs. You can check these on the main website, and also they are offering for the USTC Life Science and Medicine, School of Engineering Science, School of Information Science and Technology, School of Computer Science and Technology, and School of Earth Science. After that, they also School of Management. Some of the students ask me about that, sir. They are offering a program for the management like statistics, business administration, and management science. So they are offering a four program. You can look at these ones: School of Nuclear Science and Technology, School of Cyber Science, and microelectronic, and last one is environmental science and engineering. After that, you can also download this all program. They have an option here. Okay, let's you can see that admission related, academic related, you can learn about lot of things here, and non-degree programs. This is a home website. I want to show you something more. If you click on the introduction, they will show you that download all of the programs here. So you can download all of the programs here, like here. List of undergraduate program. You can click on download and download all the program. You can see that which programs in Chinese and which program is in English. Let's move toward. And one more thing I want to show you that undergraduate program at USTC are 4-year full study and delivered in Chinese. Bachelor degree and graduation certificate will be awarded if the student finish all the required coursework and pass the thesis defense. So you they mentioned that you have to complete all of the information. You have to if you have Chinese diploma, you can upload it, and you can get this one. Otherwise, you if you get the scholarship, they will also teach you for 1 year or almost 1 semester a Chinese language. They mentioned that UST offer a 38 undergraduate program in 18 discipline as mathematics and other things. Okay, let's move toward the main website here. Okay, one important thing they mention on the website that please note that if you are registered with a Gmail account, you may not be able to receive the validation email sent by our system. We recommend using another email address. So you have to make an email on Yahoo or Outlook account. So maybe you will not get the any letter or notification on your Gmail account. So let's move toward the main website. So here you can click on create account and they will show you the website. There you have to make your password. You have to provide your passport number and email address, contact number, and then click on create account. Your account will be created, and after that you have to come back and click on email password and write your email and password here, and verification code they show on your on the screen. You can see the red words, and just click on login. After the login, they will show you some kind of information related to scholarship for the undergraduate, for master, and for PhD. Okay, after login, they will show you a page like this one, and you have to click on online application, and they will show you a degree that what kind of degree you want to apply, like for a doctor program, for a master program, and for a undergraduate program. If you are gonna apply for doctor or master, you have to click on there. But today I will guide you that about you have how you can apply for undergraduate program. And in undergraduate program they have three possibilities like self-finance, USTC fellowship level A, and USTC fellowship level B. So first one is self-finance. So second one they are offering a 26,000 RMB is a per year fee is a waived off. They will also provide you health insurance, monthly stipend around about 2,500 RMB, and they will provide you on campus housing. If you don't want a on campus housing, they will pay you 700 per month so you can take a housing outside the campus. And the last one is a UST fellowship level B. So tuition they only providing a tuition fee waiver. So I recommend you that you can choose this one or this one. So if anyone you will get that, because this university is a top ranked university or highly qualified staff for equipment lab, so you can get a lot of it. You can explore your life there a very well way. After that you have to click on save and continue. After save and continue, you can see that they will show you some uh, steps that you have to complete your application. The first part is the basic information. You have to write your surname, your nationality, your religion, your country of birth, and also you have to provide the information about your passport number, expiry date, and passport and photo. Passport and photo you have to upload, which should be in a JPG form, not in PDF, not in a documented file. Otherwise it will not be accepted. And the size of the your picture should be under 3 MB. And after that you have to provide the information about the descendants. If any one of your parent descendants are Chinese, so you can click on that thing. After that you have to go for the study plan, because we already choose the undergraduate, and here you can see that you can choose any program here. For example, I choose artificial intelligence, and then you can save it and go for the next part, education and experience. In education experience, you have to provide the information about your previous education, like your high school or senior high school, like a look matriculation or your FSC, ICS, FA, or anything else which degree you have completed in your school. Or if you need any kind of application tips, like for question answer for undergraduate program, question answer for postgraduate program, you can click on this one and you can will get the information about that. And you have to wait some time due to the internet, due to the website busyness. So education and experience. Okay, in education and experience you have to add the information about your country, name of school, degree and duration, and your number or GPA. And you have to upload your notarized copy of degree and transcript here. You can go to a public court and they will do it for you. They can also mention that. And also you have to add the matriculation examination name, your name, date of examination, location, score, and you have to upload the transcript of your matric results. And after the non-educational experience and study experience in China, you can skip these part, because you are going to apply for undergraduate and you don't have any kind of other experience and academic achievement in a school level. So better to leave these three parts as it is, and just save it and move toward the language proficiency. Okay, so mother tongue is a choose. You have to choose a mother tongue and Chinese proficiency. You are native, excellent, good or what. You have to mention about your HSK 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 are very normal. You can pass in Pakistan, or if you have applying for undergraduate program, are required to pass HSK level 4. So remember this thing, that you also have to need a HSK level if you are going to apply a Chinese related program. And then you have to upload the certificate. And what about the English? You are non-native, choose a excellent, and here they mention that or official letter from your previous school university confirming that the language of instruction was English. So you have to upload that letter here, because with the chosen program is in Chinese, so you have to upload the HSK one, because they are only offering a programs in Chinese. So you have better, if you can have a Chinese diploma, you can upload that one. After that, the contact information, you have to provide the information about your house, email or phone number. And other information, you have also provide other information about your parents, like a father, mother, and also the supporting document. If you need, you can get that one here. Referee information, you can get the reference or recommendation letter from your school or college teachers, lecturers or professor, or they will give you a hard form. You can upload it here. Just mention the name, organization, and an email address or phone number of the teacher of the lecturer, you can upload that one here. After that, you have to upload the document, upload your document, because we already upload the diploma, transcript of matric and senior high school, also the proficiency letter. And other that, you have to upload the documents like your physical medical form. You click it here, they will give you a form. You can go to a hospital and then they will provide you information that how to fill it and go for a test and checkup. After, for you have to provide a CV, personal statement, guardian statement, because applicant under 18 as of the September 1st or 2026 must submit a guardian statement. The guardian must reside a HEFI during the applicant study period at USTC regardless of nationality. So you can make the statement and you can authorize it, you upload it here. Application form for international student undergraduate program, you can click it here, you can download the form, and they also mention a lot of information there. You have to complete all of the information on the application form, and then you have to upload here. Study or research, non-criminal record, other supporting document, you can upload all of the document here. Non-criminal record, you can get that one from the police station. Okay, if we check that one here, then click here to download the application of template. Okay, after that, the last part is the submit form. After completing all of the application uploading document, I just checking that what kind of information you have to write down in the template application form for the undergraduate students. After that, you have to check all of the things, click it here, and then you can click that one, that what kind of doing for. You have to click no, 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 because these all are for the uh, self-funded scholarship. You don't need to hide that. After that, you can click in now, yes, and submit. There is no need of any application fee, but you need HSK language, so you have to upload that one here. So remember this thing. I just want to show you that. Okay, in the in the that part, that the application form, you just have to fill all of the information by hand. It's not a difficult part. After that, you can submit your application and then see if they need any kind of information from you. They will send you a notification or email. Just check your email account every day. So share this video with the friend. Those have opportunity, they can apply on it. So until that time, Allah Hafiz. Remember me in your prayers.